The first set of equipment that arrived at the Mirosławiec Air Base in western Poland consists of 6 unmanned aerial vehicles and 3 mobile control stations, the Polish Defense Ministry said.
Nowoczesnego wojska
There is
bez
no modern army
dronów,
without
bez bojowych
drones,
dronów.
without combat
W przypadku
drones. When it comes to
Bayraktarów są to
Bayraktars,
drony,
these are the
które
drones that on
z
one
jednej
hand
strony
do and will do the reconnaissance
wykonują,
missions, but on
będą
the other
wykonywać
hand, they are
misje
ready to take
rozpoznawcze,
part
z
in
drugiej są
combat
gotowe do
missions.
tego, żeby
This is an
wykonywać
effective
również
weapon in the hands of
misje
Ukrainians,
uderzenia
and it
w
allows
miejsca
them to
broni
effectively
skuteczne,
defend
bowiem
Ukraine's
pozwala
territory.
skutecznie bronić.
Uzbrojenie, które
The
otrzymaliśmy do
armament will
wyposażenia,
significantly
w
enhance
sposób
the operational
znaczący
capability
wpłynie
of
na
the
zwiększenie
entire
zdolności
Polish
operacyjnej
army. The
całego
TB2
wojska
aircraft
polskiego.
is designed to perform reconnaissance
TB2
and strike
jest
missions
przeznaczone
using
do
precision munitions.
wykonywania
Tasks can be
misji
performed day and
rozpoznawczych
night in
i
all weather
uderzeniowych z
conditions.
wykorzystaniem amunicji precyzyjnej.
The contract for 24 Turkish-made unmanned aerial vehicles armed with anti-tank projectiles was signed in May 2021. The battle-proven TB2 drone is being sold to 24 countries, including NATO member Poland, while the company signed deals with 5 countries for exports of its much larger sibling, Akinji. While the TB2 can lift off with up to 150 kilograms or 330 pounds of missiles or equipment, Akinji, first delivered to Turkish armed forces last year, can fly much higher and take off with 10 times the weight. The aerial drones supplied by Turkish defense company Bayraktar were instrumental in Ukraine's defense against Russian armor and anti-aircraft systems in the first few weeks of the Russian invasion.